this. Hmm?
Yeah.
Look at this. What are you doing?
Let's open it.
Let's open it.
Wait. This is the...
I need an opening thing. Okay, I got it. Defeated by cellophane. Here we go. It's coming. It's coming. Yeah. Do we need this? Ooh. Okay, let's see. Okay, you gonna come and take a look?
Yep.
Look at that. Hey!
Let me touch. I touched it first.
Focus. It needs a. There we go. These are two 4K HDMIs, 2.5 gig Ethernet. It's yeah. Those are my sweaty hands. That was marks up there. Okay, so that's that. Yeah, what's in here? Okay.
One item unlocked.
Okay. Look at this. What is this?
Second item unlocked.
This is oh, some sort of
Super Chipper Show. Bum 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 bum. That's a manual.
it's a manual, and there's an English.
New item unlocked.
Eat modern creativity. Yeah, there we go. That's a nice manual.
Second item.
Is this the power brick? Which I will need to get a
Other one?
AU plug because it didn't come with an AU plug. So it's either an EU or there we go. So I will need to. What is it? 3 amp, 12 volt, isn't it? What's it say? I do have a 3 amp 12 volt. I might just use my other power adapter. 3 amp 12 volt is 3 amp 12 volt. So, and it's got the same barrel connector, so I might just use that instead. Let's see. Anyway, with that, and what's this last one? Last one. Yeah, I bet it's the VESA mounting point. Yeah, and an HDMI cable. Yes, HDMI cables. VESA mount. Can mount it on the back of the monitor with this.